Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add members to a group in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load in all your emails and give you access to your contacts and groups. Once you're logged in and everything has loaded, you're ready to begin managing your contact groups. Now, to add members to a group in Outlook, navigate to the bottom left part of your screen. You'll notice 4 different icons displayed there. Look for the icon that shows 2 people, which represents your contacts menu. Go ahead and click on this icon to open your contacts section. This is where all your saved contacts and contact groups are stored. Once your contacts menu opens, you'll see a list of all your individual contacts and existing groups. Take a moment to locate the specific group you want to add members to. When you find it, right-click on that group. This action will bring up a context menu with several options available. From this list, click on Edit Contact to proceed. This opens up the group editing interface where you can modify the members of your selected group. After clicking Edit Contact, you'll see an Add Members drop-down button appear. Click on this drop-down and you'll be presented with 3 different options for adding a member to your group. The first option lets you add members from your Outlook contacts, the second allows you to pull contacts from your address book, and the third option enables you to create a brand new contact card from scratch. Choose whichever source works best for you based on where your contact information is stored. Once you select the contact through your chosen method, that contact will be immediately added to your selected group. Now that you've successfully added your new member to the group, all you need to do is save your changes. Look for the Save and Close button and click it to finalize the addition. Your contact group is now updated with the new member included. And that's it. You've successfully added a member to your group in Outlook, making it easier to send emails to multiple people at once. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.